The 2025 Corvette ZR1, a beast unleashed. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is an absolute powerhouse. It marks a significant leap forward for the Corvette, offering unprecedented performance and luxury. Key features and performance. Mind-boggling power. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, the ZR1 delivers an astonishing 1,064 horsepower. Unmatched speed. Capable of reaching speeds over 215 miles per hour, the ZR1 is a true speed demon. Advanced aerodynamics. Aggressive bodywork and aerodynamic enhancements generate impressive downforce for exceptional handling and stability. Carbon ceramic brakes. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power to match the car's performance. Luxurious interior. Despite its performance focus, the ZR1 offers a refined and upscale cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. What sets it apart? First factory turbocharged Corvette. This is a historic moment for the Corvette, as it's the first time a turbocharged engine has been offered from the factory. Most powerful V8 ever produced by an American automaker, the ZR1's engine is a testament to American engineering prowess. Uncompromising performance. The ZR1 is built for speed and track domination, without sacrificing everyday usability. A visual feast. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is a dream come true for performance enthusiasts. With its breathtaking power, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, it sets a new benchmark for American sports cars. Thank you for sharing.